Hey YouTube, it's Sean. We got this new tool here. It's called a WireHard. The brand name is a WireHard, and it is a multi-bit, I mean super multi-bit screwdriver set. And the brand name is right there, WireHard. And there's the part number. 145 pieces. But I'm telling you what, I opened this a little while ago, and it is unreal. It has all the things, literally all the bits in the world. Security bits, you can even do phones, computers, anything you want to fix. It has the little socket set. It has a magnetic accessory box right here. With even screen openers for phones, little pucks, or you can, to pick the screen out. It comes with those. Comes with some tiniest. It even comes with a suction cup to pick a screen out of an object, a phone or such. Sorry, I'm in a hurry on this one because I have an actual use for this today. Hopefully I can do that. It has the openers, opener bars. It has the little tiny 1.52 one that comes with two of each of the Phillips and straight blades. But I'm telling you what, this is the ultimate set right here. Let me see if this light will do us justice. Probably not, but this is the ultimate set if you're a fix-it guy like me. So, we're going to need one of these bits. One of these Y bits, or pyramid bits. Alright, but this is the set. If you want to get a good set of fix anything in the whole freaking planet, that's the one to get. Especially if you're into computers or phones. And it comes with the extension that is flexible. Like if you need to get into a hard spot. Yep, and it comes with, well, I think we got that in there backwards. Yeah, I did. Comes with this. This is a quality little unit right here. It's ratchet. Can't seem to get that to happen. Let me see. I think it's this end. Nope, this end spins for your hand. But this end's the ratchet. Oh, no, it's not ratchet. I thought this one was ratchet. It's not. Alright, there it is. That's the WireHard though. I recommend that if you're into cell phones and computers, you pick this set up. And this is not a review that I'm paid for. This is a review that I bought this. I think everybody should have one of these if they fix anything that's small, tiny. Alright. I mean, where have you ever seen some of these bits? I mean, like that. That's actually a driver right there. That's a driver bit. So anywho, let's see if we can fix what I was going to fix. But that's a set right there. And that's the, well, I gave you the part number already. Alright, so take care everybody. Love y'all. Thumbs up. If you're into fixing computers or electronics or anything small, and I think even some of these would fit carburetors, like on small engines. Especially those little ones that, like, little ones. Alright. Take care, everybody. Love y'all. Bye-bye.